Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're putting the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra cameras to the test. We'll check out video quality, ultra-wide shots, low light performance, and both daylight and night photos to see which one really stands out. This video is recorded in 4K at 60 frames per second. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with a quad camera setup on the back, 200 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera, 50 megapixel periscope camera, 5x optical zoom, 10 megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra also features the same quad camera setup. On paper, both phones offer very similar hardware, so the real difference comes down to image processing and optimization. Here's the ultra-wide video at 4K 60 frames per second. As you can see, both phones capture a wide field of view with strong stabilization. However, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra appears to deliver slightly better dynamic range and more consistent detail across the frame, while the S25 Ultra still performs very close in comparison. Now let's move on to the low-light video comparison. In darker conditions, both phones handle noise well, but the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra seems to produce slightly sharper details and improved brightness control, giving it a small advantage in challenging lighting. Let's move on to the daylight and low light photos. In daylight, both devices capture crisp images with excellent color accuracy. At night, the large sensors help maintain detail and reduce noise. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra camera stands out slightly with refined processing, natural colors, and sharper fine details, although the difference isn't massive. Which one do you think looks better? Let me know in the comments below, And if you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.